What are vacant properties and how to generate your own list of vacant properties in any area you want in the country. Hi, I am Maury. With over 25 years of experience and over 1,500 real estate transactions, my team develops tools for realtors, investors, and wholesalers to make their lives easier. By definition, vacant property is a property that the owner does not receive the mail. Look, if you want to go away for a month, you can contact the post office and tell them to hold your mail for 30 days. Now, let's say you have an older individual living in a property, the individual passes on and nobody is in the property. Well, after 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 weeks, the post office is going to realize nobody's picking up the mail. So what do? 2 months later, they're going to tag the property in their database as a vacant property list. It could also be that you bought the property and the property was burned down. It's going to take you 6-7 months for you to rebuild the property. And literally, you yank that mailbox. We say, don't need to worry about this one. Post office is going to tag that also as a vacant property. Properties may be considered vacant for one or more of the following reasons: owner deceased, foreclosure, repossession, sheriff sale, tax sale situations, personal family reasons, legal proceedings, or preparing the property to rent or sell. Needs repair or physically distressed, abandoned to be demolished or condemned. We have 2 ways to go about this. One, I'll show you how to use Lead Cruncher to be able to generate a list of properties, and on any of them that you create, it will identify the property that is vacant. Second, load your own list. Yes, you can have a list of 20, 30,000 records in your database, but you have a database, right? You have a dialer, you call people, you got 10,000 on the dialer, pull the list out and upload it here, and it will tell you when property is vacant. Let's say we want to create a list for City of Fontana. We select the City of Fontana. There are 62,000 records in Fontana. That includes every piece of property there, from vacant land to the shopping mall, to every store, apartment building, and everything. Under the property type, we're going to put SFR, single family residences. This number is going to come down to 49,000. Under the ownership type, select 25 and then 50% equity. And that is 28,000 records. This is 28,000 records. I click on export and I confirm. Done. That's all you have to do. This list is in progress. And as soon as it's generated, a copy of this list from assessor data is going to be sent to data manager. And that happens, by the way, for pre-foreclosure records, for successor data, for probate case filing. Every records end up at data manager, including the one that you upload yourself. Absolutely. Bring your data. Put 50,000 records here, no limit, up to 100,000 records. We will validate the address for you and we'll tell you which property is vacant. Vacant properties, all I have to do is go to the right. In here, click on vacant, only vacant addresses. Here is a list generated. I can pull this list. Great. I downloaded the list, but because of Google's regulations on protecting the information, I had to cover the name and the address of the property. What we have here is 53 properties with minimum 20% equity, single family residences, that the property is vacant for one reason or another. This is now a gold list. We can take it further. These properties are vacant for the reasons that we mentioned earlier. If you found this video useful, you'll find more videos like it on my channel. We hear this from people all the time, but those little mouse clicks will go a long way to help me in the algorithm. So please click the little thumb guy. Please subscribe and help yourself with all the tools linked in the description. These are tools me and my teams have developed over the years. Tools I wish I had when I started in real estate. Thank you for watching and have a great day.